I not pay a single rupees to my college. It's backed by one foundation. It's not luck. It's just about knowing the right opportunity. And the crazy part is, this foundation not only pay you the money or provide you financial support. Honestly, it helps me a lot. If you are someone looking for a mentor plus with scholarship, then this reel is for you. Comment me link. I will be sharing you all the details, all the criteria which is required for the scholarship. Share with your friend those who need scholarship as well as the mentor. Provide you personal laptop, a personal mentor throughout the session, and many skill development courses for free. If you are an engineering student and looking for such kind of scholarship with mentor, then this scholarship is for you. Hi guys, this is Pew here, and this is day 19 of me fixing my life. Personally, I thought of sharing some scholarship tips with you all guys, which I had got from last 2 years, or I am taking the advantage from last 2 years. So I thought maybe let's share with you. This scholarship is not. This video is not sponsored or anything else. I don't want to advertise, but I want to provide the knowledge which I have or which I think can be useful for other students. Then this video is for you all guys. Actually, ये स्कॉलरशिप मुझे मिली थी लास्ट फर्स्ट ईयर में, लाइक फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ईयर आई एम टेकिंग दिस स्कॉलरशिप. इट इज़ टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ये सिर्फ एक स्कॉलरशिप है ही नहीं. मतलब अगर मैं इसको सिर्फ स्कॉलरशिप बोलूँ तो मैं खुद गलत हूँ, बिकॉज ये मुझे सिर्फ एक पैसों के मामले में सपोर्ट नहीं करती है. इट गिव्स मी अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग, अ पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट स्किल जो मुझे आज मैं अगर जाऊँ सीखने के लिए तो इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम. Like lots of times are okay, but what about the facilities? Like what we are getting, we don't get a certification, and if we want something for like something like certification which is valuable, we have to pay. And if you are not paying that certification, वो इतना value नहीं करता. So this scholarship is not giving only the money support or financial support, but it's also providing you the support which is mentally also, because it provides one mentor which is personally for you, and you can share anything up to that mentor. It can be anything related to your study, anything whatever you want to share. He or she will be answering to your each question, and this mentor session happen twice a week. So you get a mentor twice a week to talk and to share something or get the idea. That mentor is not only is a very means, I cannot say ki any mentor you are taking and you are providing the student. No, 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 no. They are well qualified, they are well settled in their industries, and they are the we can say kind of manager post of some company. So that kind of reach you are getting, that kind of I can say कि वहाँ से तुमको connection मिल रहा है, the connectivity which you are getting, it's awesome. Like getting to talk with someone who is a CEO of some company, or someone who is a bank manager or something, it's very real, and it's like it hits different when you get some person like mentor, like this kind of people who is there for you twice a week to explain you, to make you understand something कि ये ऐसा करो वो ऐसा करो, or to teach you. It's very real, and it's very rare, I can say कि it's very hard to find such kind of scholarship. It's not the luck, I can say, but it's the opportunity. Now you are getting the opportunity if you are able to crack this interview, if you are able to complete this criteria, and if you are able to get into this. So you are going to get a lot of exposure from this industry. Experts will be teaching you. You will get all the courses for free, like extremely free. All the skill development courses, live session will be held by them, where you will get the chance to ask one by one. All this thing will be done. Next thing is now how to get into this, because it's very important to look after the criteria, because there is one twist. It's only applicable for engineering student. Second, it's only applicable for girls. The third thing is your 10th and 12th standard marks should be above 65%, and your 12th means 12th standard marks should be above 65%. PCM will be counted, not your additional subject. Fourth, your financial income from of your family should be of particular amount, that much only, not beyond that. And fifth, you have to crack the interview. There is 3-4 rounds, you have to clear that, and after that only you are going to get into this. The thing which will be starting was, the first thing is you have to fill that criteria form. After once you fill the criteria form, you will get one notice that okay, you are applicable for this enter the scholarship or not. Once you get that scholarship confirmation, you can proceed. Second is you have to make one video. One para will be given to you, or one question will be given to you on that topic. You have to make one video by explaining what you understand about the topic or whatever it's written in that topic. So you have to make one video. Once you get selected, your video gets selected, then only your further selection of interview will be proceeded. You have to clear the interview, which is little bit tough. I cannot say too tough, but yes, little bit tough. Basic questions are asked, but you have to give the answers in confidence. That's it. And the last step is, after all this, you will get a home visit. Once the home visit is done, all the verification is done from their side. You will get a letter of confirmation that you are selected for this scholarship. Once you get the letter of confirmation that you are selected, congratulations, you are applicable for this, all the benefit which is provided by this foundation, and you are lucky. Now I cannot say word lucky. Luckies are everyone, but the thing is knowing the right opportunity and applying it before the deadline. That's the thing that which matters. And once you are done, you will get the laptop, you will get the mentors, you will get one session, you will get all the skill development courses, you will get everything whatever you need throughout your engineering 4 years. So yes, that's it. So yeah, that's it. This was a small introduction video of how I got into this scholarship and how this scholarship is helping me. I never thought I will be sharing this kind of videos, but yes, now I believe that if I am able to help a single student also, then it's my pleasure. I will be sharing this kind of videos about the internship, about the scholarship, about the new skill which I'm learning, or about anything which is useful to others, and even making my life easy and happier. So yes, if you guys like this kind of video, just hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And if you need any help or if you feel any doubt, just comment. I will be answering to all the comments and helping you out. So that's it. Bye bye.